In today's episode, we are going to be talking about why Zilliqa is absolutely going to be relentless in 2021. Now, this is very important information for a lot of people who really want to end up making a lot of money by the end of 2021. So today's topic is mostly going to be dwelling on the legal aspect and the importance of having proper legal setup in terms of your particular cryptocurrency projects that you are supporting, because obviously we did experience a very crazy nasty drop of Xrp because the SEC is trying to sue them and there's just like a whole lot of legal battles. Now a lot of people are saying that with regards to Xrp, right, this is obviously just some sort of shake out, and obviously the price is obviously going to end up bouncing, but regardless, a lot of people ended up missing, or rather losing quite a lot of money, especially to the new people out there, because I remember a few weeks ago, right, a few days ago, the price of Xrp was around 71 cents. But if you look at the current price, right, I mean, it's just basically back to where it was before this massive breakout. So what's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is you need to have your legal papers and your legal documentations, and everything has to be set up in a proper legal way. And when it comes to cryptocurrencies such as Zilliqa, right, I mean, even though today we are down by about 8%, I mean, I'm not really going to feel bad about this particular drop, because it's just like a drop in the ocean, and it's like basically nothing. A lot of people are barely even feeling this pain as far as the price of Zilliqa dropping, because we have been doing tremendously well. I mean, if we look at the past performance, right, of Zilliqa has been leading the cryptocurrency markets, and this usually happens. Zilliqa tends to pump first and then everything else follows. I mean, we experienced this a while back, right, like during this particular area, right, I think that was from 23rd December all the way up to around 10th February. So December, January and March are very strong months for Zilliqa for some reason. I have no idea what this correlation is all about, but usually we have like very good price movements, especially during this particular phase. And this is obviously corresponding and really in line with the technical analysis as far as the higher time frames are concerned. Because if we take a look at the weekly MACD, right, obviously we are absolutely killing it. Let one man disagree with this fact. We are absolutely killing it. But of course, if you move over to the other time frames, right, like let's say for example that the daily looks absolutely perfect as well. We have this crazy ferocious buying power coming through as far as Zilliqa is concerned, which is something a lot of retail investors usually tend to gravitate towards too. And I'm sure a lot of you have been asking, hey, Muna, do you really think the price of BTC is going to go back to around $0.32, $0.032, 3 cents plus a little bit of change? Do you think the price is actually going to go back? I mean, guys, anything is possible. We saw Xrp absolutely have like a tremendous price bump, and then it just came back down. This is actually a bot Simpson type of indicator, and it's pretty crazy. So just like I keep on telling you, just like I keep on reminding you, the moral of the story is always taking profits. Whenever we have like a price bump, please remove some profits and stack that for the future in case something like Xrp happens. Okay, so to other people who took profit around this particular area as far as Xrp is concerned, everybody's just rejoicing. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Now, everybody who didn't take any profit and the people who were following around this particular area, around 78 cents for crying out loud. These are the guys whose money has actually shrunk. So if you put in like $100,000 at the price of 72 cents, right? I can't even fathom how nasty you are feeling deep down. But do not worry. So long these guys are going to be able to figure out and solve the SEC whatever compliance requirements and all that good stuff, the price is most likely going to bounce back. The price is most definitely going to be able to bounce back. And for ferocious investors like I am, right, I'm obviously looking for a counter trade to this particular action, because this is easy money, easy moolah, So yeah, I mean, but I feel for everybody who's in a bad situation as far as XRP is concerned. So my focus as far as XRP is concerned is I just want to figure out when the sell pressure is going to be done. Then boom, I'm definitely going to be back in the trades, baby. So anyway, getting back to Zilliqa and why it's going to be relentless. One thing that you have to understand, ladies and gentlemen, is the fact that Zilliqa is legally registered in Singapore, and actually the majority of the team is actually Singaporean, and they have a lot of connections in Singapore, and they are sort of the top 10. They are the top alternative cryptocurrency in Singapore. And you just know how progressive Singapore is as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned, right? Like Singapore is one of the most progressive countries out there as far as cryptocurrencies are concerned. So this is one of the reasons why Zilliqa is never ever going to face any legal problems as far as their company is concerned, as far as their project is concerned. So having such a price trajectory or price revelation is absolutely not as expected, due to the fact that everything is done from a legal perspective. And this is one of the reasons why I just keep on uploading the Zilliqa team, because these guys from the beginning they have been so on top of things, and they have literally tackled any potential problem in the future. I mean, if you think about Ethereum, right? Ethereum scalability issues, all the time there's massive price action. Every time we are having a bull market, Ethereum always ends up choking. And right now they're trying to transition from proof of work to proof of stake, which is obviously going to take 5 years of transitioning. So this is going to be like a 5-year transitioning period. But as far as Zilliqa is concerned, Zilliqa has already implemented sharding. As a matter of fact, it was one of the first cryptocurrency projects that implemented the sharding protocol and the sharding capabilities and all that good stuff. From a legal perspective, Zilliqa is absolutely killing it and crashing it. So the more we keep on progressing, right, the more the blockchain world starts being certified and official, right? Obviously, Zilliqa from a business point of view is going to be killing it. Because they are ready. Their technology is far superior. They are one of the best technological blockchains in terms of scaling, in terms of security, and they are basically solving the blockchain trilemma. They have solved the blockchain trilemma as well. But of course there are other cryptocurrencies such as Polkadot, Yearn that are in a similar boat, but Zilliqa from different aspects is way superior. I mean, if you look at the legal aspect, just like I told you, right? The fact that Zilliqa has got the potential to penetrate the Asian countries and the American countries as well, because it has got heavy backing, and they have all these certified legal documents from Singapore, and Singapore is a crypto heaven. So this is one of the reasons why I really think that Zilliqa is absolutely going to kill it. It's absolutely going to kill it. And obviously getting to look at the market cap, right? $656 million is absolutely nothing in comparison to Ethereum. Ethereum is sitting way over $62 billion. So that is literally 100x from now, or even, I don't know, more than that. So this is one of the reasons why I'm actually betting big on Zilliqa, and I have been betting big on Zilliqa ever since we had this nasty drop in March. And thank God my investments are finally giving me some profits. And big shout out to all the people who have been following my YouTube channel for a while. Yeah, you guys have been awesome. I know there are people who have been part of my YouTube channel ever since around this particular area, and we have been through a roller coaster ride. And Yeah, it's been crazy. And one thing that I have to like let you guys know is I mean, in comparison to other alternative cryptocurrencies, right, this particular period, this particular phase was so dreadful. I mean, I remember you guys kept on asking me, hey Muna, beyond 10x, when is the price of Ripple finally going to break through the 2.3 you know, the 3 cent level? When is the price of Zilliqa going to go above $0.02? And you guys were so anxious. You guys gave up on Zilliqa, but finally it came through, and it is obviously very bullish, and we're obviously going to remain bullish for the next, you know, according to the TD sequential, right? These numbers right over here, right? The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right now we're actually on the 7th week as far as you know, trajectory is concerned. So worst case scenario, we might have a push all the way down to the 9th candle, as you can see right over here, right? We obviously came from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we had like a red TD sequential selling sort of signal right over there. So this is the worst case scenario. So basically we have about 3 more weeks. We've got about 1 more month of, you know, absolute bullishness. Of course, that journey is going to be made up of tops and bottoms. There's going to be ups and downs. So this is one of the reasons why I always keep on telling you, hey, you need to take profit when profit arises. And if you do that, you're barely going to be in a regretting situation. You're always going to be having money to reinvest. Okay, so as you can see right over here, right, if we switch over to the 4 hourly, which is like a very small time frame, right, we had situations and moments where the price of Zilliqa was dropping, and those were actually very good buying opportunities for people. Like, for example, here, very good buying opportunity, another buying opportunity. All right, so today, or perhaps in the next coming few hours, we might attempt to go back to around 6 cents, and you know, that's bound to happen. But in case that doesn't really happen, right, obviously we're going to end up going slightly below 5 cents, and this particular area is going to be like a very good area of value. So I'm obviously going to keep you posted, and I'm obviously going to like give you the deal as far as what the price of Zilliqa is going to end up doing. So basically right now we are ranging, and when we are ranging, right, you know, I'm not even going to dive into the ranging you know, things that you need to like sort of apply as far as taking advantage of the market. So this is the range that we are dealing with at this particular moment, right? So we have the bottom range and the top range. Okay, so obviously when you are in a ranging market, right, your trading strategy also needs to be adjusted until we end up either breaking to the upside or to the downside. But I'm not really going to dive into that because I give lessons on such issues, and it's very easy to like Google. Like literally you guys can Google everything, and you guys are going to have all this information. So if you want to like you know, have these detailed discussions and conversations with me, please holler at me. My email is going to be in the description box below. Yes, I offer private lessons as far as trading cryptocurrencies is concerned. We talk about a whole lot of stuff: trading derivatives, margin leverage, 100x, and all that good stuff. And it's a very good opportunity for you to sort of siphon. Yeah, I like the word siphon, you know, because I've been in the cryptocurrency game for like a while. And yeah, just take a look at my YouTube you know, videos. I've been here for like a while, and you know, you can get to siphon all that information, condense and compress it, and just take advantage of it. So that's obviously like a very good thing. So if you are interested in such a deal, please let me know. And then once you guys are going to be able to like you know, finish that those little lessons with me, then you can be part of my trading group, which is absolutely crazy. You know how I kill these trades, you know, I really kill these trades. So if you really want to be part of my trading group, that's a process that you have to go through, because you know, I don't want to give you free food. You know, you have to work, you have to put in time, you have to put in effort, and I do not want to give you fish. I want to teach you how you can fish and, just navigate these waters and just basically be able to be your own man. So anyhow, more of the story is Zilliqa is going to be relentless. Of course, there's going to be price fluctuations. This is one of the reasons why you need to be taking profits. But right now we are in a ranging situation. So we either go to the top of the range or we go to the bottom of the range. But looking at the oscillators right now, what is most likely going to happen? We are most likely going to end up correcting towards the downside. So I wouldn't be surprised if the price of Zilliqa had to drop a little bit down to the downside. So that's something that I am obviously looking forward to. If that happens, well, it's going to be a blessing in disguise, and yeah, that's going to be like a very good buying opportunity. So to all the people who have been around for like a very long period of time, this is all bonus. This is all Christmas bonus right over here. So we are good. We are definitely good. So yeah, it's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. You guys have yourselves a lovely Christmas Eve, and enjoy your festive season. Enjoy Christmas and New Year. But of course, I'll be here again tomorrow because I have no life. I ain't got no life. Trading is all I think about. Yeah, so have a great time. Be good. Stay subscribed, and God bless you.